National Electrical Code Section 300.6 states that underground installations shall not be made in ducts unless the duct is of masonry or concrete and accessible. National Electrical Code Section 300.7 states that ducts, trenches, and tunnels shall be kept free from standing water. National Electrical Code Section 351.10 states that all electrical equipment shall be designed, constructed, and installed so as to minimize the production of arcs, flames, or heat that might ignite flammable gases or vapors. For power cables installed in underwater trenches, it is not recommended to use unplasticized polyvinyl chloride conduits. The following are alternative options that meet code requirements. Firstly, rigid non-metallic conduit, or RNC. These conduits are made of strong, non-metallic materials such as fiberglass or polyvinyl chloride. They are typically used for underground installations and provide good protection against water infiltration. Secondly, Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride conduit. This type of polyvinyl chloride conduit is thicker and more durable than standard polyvinyl chloride conduit. It is suitable for use in wet locations or underwater trenches. Thirdly, masonry or concrete ducts. Ducts made of masonry or concrete are highly durable and waterproof. They are typically used for large-scale cable installations and provide excellent protection against moisture and other hazards. Additional considerations include cables should be properly sealed at all entry and exit points to prevent water ingress. Conduit or duct systems should be installed in a manner that allows for future cable maintenance or replacement. All equipment and materials used in the pump room should be rated for use in a wet or underwater environment.